What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy Seabass. I'm coming live from Orlando, Florida, here with Beauty Exchange, and today we will be unboxing the brand new Andis GTX cordless trimmers. These are hitters, fire, fire, fire. I'm so happy that I have the opportunity to share this with you guys. But first, let me tell you a little about myself. I've been a barber professionally for 2 years. I got my license literally 2 years ago in September, and I was lucky enough to buy a barbershop in Orlando, and it's been a hell of a ride. I've been learning a lot. I've been seeing what works, what doesn't, what trimmers I like, and honestly this is really cool for me because when I first started cutting hair, I had the corded T-liners, and now that they're cordless and they already have the skeleton shape for you ready to go, I couldn't be more excited to share this with you. So stay tuned. We will be unboxing these now. Alright, first of all, as you can see, the box is really cool, very professional. I love the box actually. And as we open it, we're gonna see what's inside. Alright, cool. Boom. I'm excited. Alright, woo, off top, off rip. Look at these bad boys right here. Oof. Instantly, very light, very slick, and look at the gold blade. Oh my god, these look amazing. Like I said, they're already skeleton shaped, and the cool thing about these is that they're covered. Back in the day, you had to cut them out. I know some of you guys did it. You cut them out, now you had the skeleton shape, so you can. It's better for visibility. So when you're shaping up or debulking, whatever it is, it was good. But the only problem is that the hair kept getting stuck or getting in there, and it's just harder to clean. Now that they have fixed that for you, you shouldn't have that problem. Another cool thing about these is just the way they feel. Look how they sound powerful, they feel powerful. And just overall, I'm very impressed with what they have done here due to the fact that they are very light. And some of my guys at the barbershop already have them, so I have tried them, but honestly, unboxing them for the first time, I can just really see the details that was put into this piece of art. This is art right here, and I love these. Right out the box, I can tell that they're instant hitters by just the blades. They're very close to each other. They don't look like they're gonna bite or hurt. Same thing, I will always just check on yourself to see if they need to be readjusted or anything like that. But no problem. You touch it, no problem at all. These are really cool. Very impressed. I'm sorry, move this out of the way. Second thing I see is the charging handle. This is really cool right here. Check this out. This charging handle is dope. Look at that. That's fire. It's really cool because one, it takes the cords out of your, oh shit. What is it called?
Station.
Check this out. Oh, rip. I really like these. One cool thing about them is that they will make your station look a lot more professional. This looks really dope. Easy access. Look at that. It looks amazing actually. So I'm gonna leave that here. Let me continue unboxing this. Another box. Here's your charger. Comes with a booklet. It also comes with some guards, and it comes. Man, what is this? Is she moving?
What?
Guards. No.
Alright.
Another thing that it comes with is this other box, and this box comes with the charger. It comes with some oil for your trimmers and some guards. It also comes with a booklet that also explains to you, gives you more detail about your trimmer. So I would definitely recommend you check it out. It'll teach you how to keep your machine working 100% and what to do if in case you chip the blade or if it falls, if it breaks. Don't be scared to look at that, or of course, look it up online. But once again, these trimmers are absolute amazing. I love them. I love the black with the gold. You can't go wrong with that. And I love the fact when you turn them on, the blue, for me, is really dope. I'm excited to try these soon. I'm gonna show you how they work and how sharp they are. Out the box, I have not adjusted them. I have not done anything like that. But the cool thing is that I can already tell that they are gonna be amazing. So stay tuned, check them out. Andis GTX cordless trimmers, fire. Let's get it. All right, now that we have already unboxed them, let's see what they do. Once again, don't forget that you can find these clippers at any beauty exchange, any of their locations in Orlando, Florida, Atlanta, and Ohio, and also beautyexchange.com. It's coming soon, stay tuned. You got this.
That
It's tough. They're about
find somebody neck and neck though.
for sure. These are definitely competing against Barber.
And we didn't even touch them. You know what I'm saying? We didn't even adjust them. I'm not the box.
Alright YouTube, we just tried these and now for anything out the box, straight hitters, I definitely recommend them. I'm actually loving them. I love the weight. I love how they feel in my hands. They're very powerful clippers. Yes, they could be a little bit, I guess the shape up could be more crispier, but that's what that's what you're gonna use your blade for. Besides that, these clippers are just taking everything, all the hair out that I wanted to clean up, and it's just amazing. These clippers are just perfect. I don't have any complaints. My client said that he didn't feel them at all. He didn't feel them too sharp. He didn't say anything bad about them. So as you can see, the line is pretty crispy all the way around. That's out the box. I have not adjusted these at all whatsoever. 10 out of 10. I highly recommend them. Once again, you can find these at beautyexchange.com or any of their 23 stores in Florida, Atlanta, and Ohio. Please, 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 barbers, try these out. Don't be scared of buying new clippers. These are amazing. They take hair out like nothing. They're very sharp. I have zero complaints. GTX and it's Cordless. Find them at Beauty Exchange. What's up, y'all? This is your boy C-Bass. So today we unboxed and tested the brand new Andis GTX trimmers. And this is your lucky day because I will be giving away this pair of trimmers at the end of the month. What I want you to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel at Beauty Exchange, comment GTX, and also follow me on Instagram at Blessed by Sebastian. All the details will be in the description below. I'm out.